Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become a master in chess.com, so let's get right into it. Now, there are several officially sanctioned FIDE chess master titles. There is all the way from Grandmaster to FIDE Master. It doesn't really matter what it is, but to become one and to get the badge on chess.com, you need to actually hold that title in real life. So if I go over to this Wikipedia article, as you can see, these are the master titles that you have, from Candidate Master to FIDE Master to International Master and to Grandmaster. You need to pretty much just fill out the regulations and the conditions to become any one of these and be certified for these. And once you're officially certified, you can then request a badge from chess.com from their moderators, provide the adequate proof, and then you should get your title added next to your name on your account on chess.com. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.